In today's video, I will walk you through how to set fund password on BingX. Want to add an extra layer of protection to your account? This security feature helps protect important actions like withdrawals and other sensitive transactions. Let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to the BingX website. Next, tap your profile icon and go to Security or Security Settings. Here you'll find several account protection options, including email verification, phone verification, Google Authenticator, and the fund password setting. If you haven't already enabled basic security features, BingX may ask you to complete them before allowing you to set a fund password. In the Security section, tap Fund Password. You'll be asked to create a password that will be used specifically for financial actions on your account. Remember, your fund password is separate from your login password, providing an additional layer of account security. After creating your fund password, BingX will ask you to complete one or more security verification steps. Depending on your security settings, this may include entering an email verification code, an SMS verification code, or a code from Google Authenticator. Enter the required codes and confirm the setup. Once verified, your fund password will be successfully activated. From now on, whenever you perform certain financial actions, such as withdrawing crypto or completing other protected transactions, BingX may ask you to enter your fund password before the request is processed. This helps prevent unauthorized transactions, even if someone gains access to your account. Be sure to keep your fund password private and never share it with anyone. And that's how to set a fund password on BingX.